Well, hello everyone. Here we are with another one of those real short videos to give you something to do. Now, the good thing about this one is it's not going to take a whole lot of brain work. I'm going to tell you where to go and how to do it, so it's going to be pretty easy. We've been doing this almost a month now. By the end of the week, it will have been a month. You've done a real good job of getting your blog posts looking good, monetizing them, getting your SEO titles and your descriptions and all in one SEO, starting to make some comments, getting some backlinks. Everything is going good. But right now, what we want to do is we want to get what's called the baseline. We want to see what traffic your site has right now and also how many likes it has on social media right now today. So that as we go along 2 weeks from now, a month from now, we can look at that and see how well we're doing. Now, I know some of you's traffic's gone up a little bit just because of what we've done so far, but that's okay. So we want your traffic today, tomorrow, whenever you get this done, is your baseline. That's our starting point. Now, how we're going to do that? Well, let me move up a little closer to the computer here. First off, we have this nice little form right here. That is an Excel spreadsheet, and it has a date, the month, week, daily, and then a place for the backlinks and the social media likes. So you're going to come in on a certain date, put that in, and fill those out. You're not going to do it, I wouldn't do it more than about every 2 weeks. Yeah, if you do it once a week, that's fine, but don't do it any more than that. Not a reason to. You get backlinks today, and sometimes it's 30 days before they show up because that site has to get indexed. So if you do something today and go tomorrow looking for it, you're not going to find it. Even on Facebook, you go when you like your own thing and go on Facebook and look for it, and then come back and look to find that stat. It's not going to change. It takes a while. So about once a week at the most. Now, how are you going to get all this information? The monthly traffic, the weekly traffic, and the daily traffic is the first one. Now, the way that you're going to get that is, I'm going to turn this one off. We'll turn it back on, and we'll go over here and click on that. And we're going to... This is the world famous Google Analytics that if you went through the training, you set up on your site. And this is what you're going to get. You're going to get your website data. And if you have more than one site, you might have to click on this and let it pull up this list and find the ones that you want. And the one that I want is this one here, WA Go Getter. And there's WA Go Getter and all site website data. And there it is. This is the stats for WA Go Getter. Now right here, this figure is for the last 7 days. Excuse me, this last 7 days, we've had 1.1K come and visit the site. We've had 1.4K have a session. I mean, they went and looked at one page and went to another page, and spent some time there. Our bounce rate, less than 2%. There's people died to get that. And we have over a minute on site time, which is really, really good. So what do you get the monthly, weekly, and daily? You scroll down until you get to this one right here, active users. Monthly, 5.7K. Weekly, 1.1K. Same thing that was up above. Daily, 172. You put that on that spreadsheet. Monthly, weekly, and daily. That's where you get it. And later on, we'll get into Google Analytics because there's a lot of fun things to look at, like this one right up above it. It tells you which pages have been getting the most visits. Well, if you know which pages have been given the most visits, you can look at it and kind of get an idea of what you did there that you didn't do on the one that's not getting any visits, and go back and redo that one and help it get more visits. You can do that. And then there's another real good one right down here. How well do you retain users? That means how many of them stay there longer than 30 seconds. They have to stay there and read something longer than 30 seconds. They just didn't click on and took off. So this last week, we have 1.1K that stayed there and read something. We had 100% retention. Our very first week, we had 3.4K. I was running a few more ads the first week. And we had 78 that stayed from 1 second to 30 seconds. And we had 32 that came on and just bounced right off. Now we don't even have that. So it's doing good. You know, that's what I was talking about, getting some good traffic to your post. And you should start seeing some things come from that. Anyway, that's where you get your data for that Excel spreadsheet. Now, get back up here to the top. The next one is where do you find the social media links and such. It is this place right here. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to have this link for you so you can get to it. All you have to do is put in the link. It's going to be posted right underneath this video, like down there under the video. So all you have to do is click on it and get to this website. So don't worry about where the website is. I'm going to give you the link. All you do is come in and type in your site name and click this green arrow. If your site's fairly new, it may say your site is not listed in the index. Click whatever to index it so you can get it. And all you do is just click this same button one more time. And then it will pull up. Now what you're looking for is, if you scroll down, way down here, where this little ring is, there are your backlinks and different stats of them. There's 80 in Alexa, which is like a search engine. I have 299 total backlinks. There's 50 follow links. There's 249 no follow links. 61 domains that have a link on it back to me, and 61 IPs. Well, with 299 links and only 61 domains, that means that has to be blogs that I went on and left a comment more than once. And as you see, it works. It still counts as a backlink. So you get this number here, total number of backlinks, and you put it on the sheet. And you go down just a little bit more, right below that, and there's your Facebook. Right over here, this number. How many Facebook likes do you have? If it's 0, put 0 down. That's okay. We're just figuring out where we're working from. How many Google Plus do you have? How many LinkedIn? How many stumbles do you have? And how many pins do you have? As you can see, most of my time I have spent on Facebook. I have 444 likes. Google Plus, 276. LinkedIn, 72. And then it falls off. Stumble, I've only got 3. Haven't really worked that area. And Pinterest, I haven't worked at all. I get most of my social media traffic from Facebook. So each one of those goes in the box, no matter what it is, 0 or whatever. Okay? So that's all you're trying to do. Now then, a little bit of good news for you. Let me back out of here and do this. Change what you're looking at. I'm going to get me a stringed orchestra to sit in the background and play in these changes. Now below this video will be this link right here, and that's the page that I just showed you. How to go get your likes and your backlinks. And one more nice thing that I have done for you, I have taken, and that Excel sheet I showed you, if you click this link right here, you don't even have to make one up. I have uploaded it to my website where all you got to do is click it. And if you can use Excel with Word or you have Open Office, either one, you can use that Excel sheet without even having to make one. It's up there for you. Nice little freebie for you. So there it is, folks. Real simple, not a whole lot of brain work. We just want that baseline so we know where you started from. Now here's the important thing to me. You don't know how important it's going to be to you. I can go and get all this information without any problem. You can do it on your competitors. All I have to do is type your website in. That would take me a good bit of time with 16 of you. So if you would be nice when you get that information and just put it in an email and send it to me, that would save me a whole lot of time. And I know that I would be very appreciative of that. So when you get that little form filled out, you don't have to send me the form. You can just copy it in the email and send me what those figures are. It would save me a whole bunch of time of not having to go and do that. And I would greatly appreciate it. So anyway, real quick video, not a lot of brain work, just a little bit of, go to one website, go to Google Analytics, write it down on the sheet, save it so you can compare it a week, a month from now, send it to me, and then we'll all be good. Okay, I'm looking forward to this. It's fixing to get interesting. And actually, the work's going to get less. It's going to get pretty routine here pretty quick. But anyway, talk to you later. Y'all have a good night or day or whatever it is for you.